I need you to turn around and put your hands behind your back for me. You are being placed under arrest for hit and run with injury.
Hey.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
All right. Can you step out here for a second,
Yeah,
if you don't
of course.
mind? Are you the only one here?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm my couch.
I'm gonna close the door. Okay. What's going on? Where you coming from?
I had a dinner with my friends.
Okay. Were you just driving?
Yeah, I was.
You just got back here?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right.
Do you have a license on you? I do not.
I'm gonna read you something really quick, okay?
Okay.
Doesn't mean you're in trouble
Okay.
or if you're going to jail or anything, but I have to read you this information before I ask you specific questions. What's your name, by the way?
Kaylee.
Haley?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's start with me getting some of your biographical information first.
Okay.
What's your birthday?
4306.
4306.
Mm-hmm.
So what?
Get it on her. Do you
Oh.
have a Florida driver's license?
I do, but I'll have to go find it.
What license is valid for you? Or is that it?
Wait, what do you mean by
Are you
that?
from Florida?
Yeah, I'm from Florida.
Cool.
Yeah.
Is that your most Kayleigh?
Yes.
Sorry for my handwriting.
Brantley?
You're not hurt any, are you?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna read you this real quick.
Okay.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned if you wish. You can afford to hire a lawyer. One will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not make any statements.
Okay.
Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you?
Yes.
Having those rights in mind, do you wish to talk to me?
What does that mean? I'm sorry. I've never talked to the police before.
No, you're okay. So I just read you your rights about how you don't have to talk to me without a lawyer
Miranda
present.
rights, right?
Yeah, Miranda
Yeah,
rights.
okay, yeah.
So after I read, I have to ask you possibly incriminating questions or questions specifically.
Mm-hmm.
Are you willing to talk to me about what I have to talk to you about?
Can I, is it like, I've only like seen like any of this like on
Mm-hmm.
like TikTok or whatever, like.
It's a reference to a traffic crash. So before I ask you specific questions about a traffic crash, I have to read you your rights because this is a criminal investigation.
Okay.
Do you want to talk to me?
Yeah, sure. I don't know. I don't want to deal with it at all. You know what I
Well,
mean?
there is damage to your Jeep
Really?
to the front right side.
Okay.
Did the
There-
person
but
try
there
to?
also there was like previous damage to my front right side. Is it like on the, were you looking at like the bumper,
No, I'm looking at the fender.
the fender?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's just
There-
like the.
Okay, yeah. There was like, I hit like my first week of driving, I did hit like a trash can,
Mm-hmm.
and that did mess up my like right front. But I don't know if it's from that or not.
Did the other person try to wave you down or anything? Did they say? All right, cool. Hang tight with these officers for a second.
He's kind of up there to wait to get more information. He's
Okay.
switching with him.
Okay. Been, but like for this incident, like the call we got, whoever it was, he or she who was driving the other car, whether they hit you or not, it's like that's why we could prevent this confusion.
Yeah.
If you had called as well instead of just coming back to your apartment thinking,
Yeah.
oh well,
Yeah.
it'd probably be doing something different.
Okay. Yeah.
But when like there's a traffic crash involved, and especially when there's like somebody's injured, because this person is complaining of injuries, whether they hit you or not, like we don't know who hit who or what
Yeah.
it may have been. Were you the only one in the car?
Yeah, I was. I know. I'm so sorry.
Yeah.
I just like I've never been. Besides, I told you that I've never been pulled over, and then that one thing happened, and like nothing happened after that. I tried
Yeah.
to call the police, like, and they just like couldn't do anything about it because no one saw anything.
It was a hit and run.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, no, not even a hit and run. It was like she hit me. It was like really bad. It was a T-bone, and then like I got out, and I think I like literally blacked out in the moment because I've never like gone through anything like that. And I was like looking at my Jeep. I was like, okay, there's no damage, but there was so much damage, and I just like didn't even see it just because I was like freaked out, you know.
Okay. Is your registration and insurance and driver license and stuff? Is it in the house and in the Jeep? Whatnot, like maybe driver's license inside, but registration insurance is in
My
the Jeep.
license is definitely inside, and then my registration's in the Jeep.
Okay, can this officer accompany you to get your license and everything?
Yeah,
And you
of
can meet me
course.
back at the Jeep and we can get your registration and insurance and stuff.
Yeah, of
And we'll
course.
see if we could chop this up to like a learning moment or what we can go from there. I'll let you know here in a second. All right, so here's the thing. What I need you to do, I need you to turn around and put your hands behind your back for me. You are being placed under arrest for hit and run with injury. I'll explain to you some other stuff if you have any questions, so forth, or something like that, okay? And then if you need us to lock your house up or something like that, we can, okay? If you need to call somebody, we'll let you call somebody and go from there. That's not too tight, is it?
Do you want your jewelry off? They're gonna end up still taking off at the jail. That's the only reason. Do you want me to put it in your room?
Is there like a get back?
It'll go be your property, yeah. They're going to give it back to you.
We'll give it back to you. I just don't know the process of it.
And then your phone, your keys, all that stuff can go with you, okay?
You want me to walk up your apartment?
Sure.
Hey, real quick, can you search her while you're here?
There's like a little
Walk over this way for me,
it
Kaylee.
has like a lock button on the top. They pull that down and can make a noise.
Just hang tight right here for a second.
Okay.
Your cat good in the room?
Yeah.
Do you have anything on you to product safety?
No.
The vape can't go, unfortunately.
Okay.
You want us to put that in your vehicle for you?
Whenever you walk in the house, can you just put that on?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. It is very humid out here. That's like yucky. All right, do me a favor, Kaylee. Have a seat. Actually, hold on one second.
Okay.
Turn right there for a second.
It's going with you.
Okay.
It's just going to be in the back until we get to do it.
Okay, thank you.
Same thing with the key. Okay. So you want your two vapes inside on the counter,
Yes,
and then
please.
lock the door. You can lock it from the top, outside lock.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, of course.
So I just step in.
Yep.
Yeah,
Just be
have a seat.
careful.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna buckle you up, and then we will try to get this taken care of as quick as possible. Okay. And if you have any questions for me while we're on the ride there, feel free to ask me. Okay. Boom! The arrest. From friendly chat to cuffs in seconds. Emotionally, this guts you. She's worried about her cat, jewelry, vape. No fight, just shock. Law theme. Hit and run with injury isn't forgiving even for first timers. Her youth makes it raw. Imagine your kid's sister in this. Suspense peaks as she realizes it's real. What were you asking me?
I was just like wondering like how this is gonna go. I've never like experienced anything like this.
So you've never been to jail before, right?
No, I've never even been pulled over or gotten a ticket.
Like I told you earlier at the front door, that gentleman here came to the scene that I was talking to. He's my supervisor.
Okay.
And the sergeant.
Okay.
We were trying to see if we could make it more of a, like I told you, a learning experience on like traffic crashes and stuff like that.
Yes, sir.
But again, like I told you, when there are injuries involved, it's different. So that's the line between.
I understand that. I just genuinely, it was such a light little crash that I didn't think anything happened of it, and I apologize for that. I just get, I don't know, and not to make any excuses, I just get freaked out.
I get it. It may have felt that way. Jeeps are tough. I drive
Yeah.
a Jeep.
Yeah.
I got 2004 Jeep.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
Okay, that's awesome.
Tough. So, and I've been in crashes where people in Jeeps have felt, well, it didn't feel that bad, but other cars
They feel it.
aren't as tough.
Okay,
And
yeah.
This person who was in a crash that either hit you or that you hit, whether, like, whatever it was, like,
Yeah.
the thing is, you have to stay on scene for stuff like that and check to make sure everybody's okay.
Okay.
If you would have just stayed there and just say, hey, are you okay, or then that would have been different, and then we would have been able to resolve.
I know. I really should have. I'm just like, I don't know how to handle these situations yet. I don't know. I'm like, it just freaks me out a lot. Which
You say you're how old?
I'm 19.
You here for school?
Yes, I am.
How long have you been in Tallahassee?
I moved here in August.
This August.
Yes, this August. So I'm very new to this town, and literally, like, I've had to handle like police situations so many times, and I swear none of them like gave me like any type of good information, or they didn't help at all. So it was just like, I also thought about it like, okay, like they really don't care. Which, no disrespect whatsoever, but like those were my like situations.
No,
like,
I get you. Like, I get what you're saying. Every
Yeah.
police officer is different.
Yeah,
And,
of
like,
course,
they
of
provide
course.
Different experiences and different information and so
Mhm.
forth. And it just sucks that you just got here in August, and this is
Mhm.
like one of your in the first few months you've been here.
I know.
Like the first year. Are you a freshman?
I'm going into my sophomore year.
Okay, yeah. That's
Yes,
up. You shouldn't even have to go into this, but again, like I said,
know.
it's still a learning experience.
I know, I really should. I know, I
It's a
really
learning moment. Now we know in the future, even if the other driver leaves as well. Because
Okay.
what happens is, say you got into a crash and the driver hit you, and then both of you guys left, and they end up calling, which is really what happened here.
Yeah, that's what happened to me last time too.
Maybe it wasn't even your fault.
Yeah.
But because you left and didn't stay on scene,
Then
that's
it's is it automatically my fault?
That's what makes
Okay.
it a crime.
Okay.
Because you have to just make sure everybody's okay.
Yeah, I get that. I understand that. I need to like learn like more about that. I guess I don't know.
So that's why we are in the position.
Know what kind of injuries they had?
It was like shoulder pain and
Okay.
I think either neck or back pain.
Okay.
Um,
Okay.
And that's why we are in this position.
Okay.
So, like I said, if it was just, oh, my car is damaged, but I'm okay,
Yeah.
it would have been, okay, hey, what's called like a criminal UTC, which is like a misdemeanor.
Mhm.
That would be a misdemeanor. But because they had injuries, it makes it a felony.
Okay.
It's
Do you
not-
think
Go ahead.
I will get a felony?
I think that based on what you told me, and I'm pretty sure you either going to get a lawyer or a public defender.
Yes,
to
sir.
explain what happened and you not having any prior criminal history. Like
Mhm.
I said, I'm not a lawyer. I don't know what's going to happen.
Yeah, of course,
Anything
of course.
can happen, But based off what I've heard with things happening, it'll probably maybe get played down to like reckless driving or something. Which
Okay.
is not a felony.
Okay.
But this is stuff that goes to like the court, and then what can be settled in court, like between the judge and so forth. And they'll
Okay.
probably be like, well, Kaylee doesn't have any criminal history. This is like the first time she's done this, and things like that get what's called played down to like
Okay.
lower levels of crimes.
Okay.
So maybe it does get played down to
Mhm.
just a misdemeanor or something, and maybe you just have to pay something or just like you know what I mean?
Yeah, I get it.
Do you, with that talking, do you need me to call anybody for you to let them know, like, parents-wise, like, what's going on?
No, it's fine. I do all like everything's like by myself, so I don't need anything.
You don't want anybody to know where you are?
Well, okay, so like one of my upstairs neighbor, he's one of my best friends. I would like to let him know, but I also don't know his like number by like heart.
Is it in your phone?
It is.
Yeah. Call him for you?
Yeah, sure. He's working right now, so I don't know if he will answer.
Yeah, what's the passcode?
And it should be under my contacts as Cody Cop.
C-O-D-Y?
Yes.
Cody Cop.
Yes.
Cody Cop?
Yes. Oh no, he's not a cop.
Not a cop?
No, he works at one of the bars. He's not a cop.
Okay. Alright, so I'll call him for you.
Okay, thank you so
I'll
much.
put him on speaker.
Thank you. He might not answer, but I doubt he will. But if he doesn't answer, then I don't have anyone to call. Hey, Cody. Hey. Wait, what do I say to him?
Whatever you want.
I'm in trouble right now. I just want to let you know. I'm in trouble right now. I just want to let you know. Like, I'm in the back of a cop car. Don't laugh. It's horrible. I'll explain later, but I just wanted to let you know. I said I'll explain later, but I just wanted to let you know. I'm on speaker with like everyone. What? No, I didn't drink tonight. We just had dinner.
Do you want me to talk to Cody and explain what's going on?
He's fine. He'll be fine. Okay, yeah. I'll call you whenever I can. I just want to let you know. Okay.
What are you going to school for?
Radiology. I want to be an X-ray tech.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm excited. It's really hard though. I've not been doing too good in school, but
You have not been?
I mean, half and half. There's like a couple classes where it's like you really have to study. So because I have 2 jobs right now, so it's like really hard to balance.
Where do you work?
Yeah, I work at Aries and then I work at Recess.
See those blue feet right there?
Okay.
Just stand on those blue feet for her. Hello.
Thank you. What are you here for?
Hit and run.
First time.
First time. Yep. Probably need that for it.
Do you want to harm yourself? You want to kill yourself? Oh, no. Are you not saying this? Okay. Do you have any injuries? No. Right. Do you feel like you're going to abuse or harass Okay. And you
Jail intake seals it, hit and run, first time. From dinner with friends to blue footprints. Themes of growth through pain, she's learning the hard way, but resilient. Feels unfair yet necessary. Law protects the injured, teaches accountability. My heart aches for her fear of other people in there.